If you need to accept appointments on your WordPress site, you don't need heavy, expensive plugins. In this video, we will install the Trafft booking system, configure your services, and embed a booking form that syncs with your Google Calendar. We're starting from a blank WordPress installation. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins and select Add New. Search for Trafft. This acts as a bridge between your WordPress site and the Trafft scheduling engine, which keeps your website fast since the heavy lifting is done on our servers. Click Install and Activate. Once activated, you'll see Trafft in your sidebar. Click it and you'll see a field for your Trafft account URL. If you already have a Trafft account, simply enter the business name you used when signing up. If you don't, you can create a free account directly here without leaving WordPress. Hit Save. This connects your site to the scheduling engine. Before the form works, we need a service to book. In your Trafft dashboard, go to Services and click Add New. Let's create a 30-minute consultation. Set your duration and price. Next, ensure you have an employee assigned to this service so the system knows whose calendar to check for availability. To avoid double bookings, go to Features and Integrations in Trafft and enable the Google Calendar sync. Connect your account to allow Trafft to check your busy slots in Google and automatically push new WordPress appointments directly to your phone's calendar. Now let's put this on your website. Open the page where you want the calendar. If you use Elementor, click the plus icon to add a new section, find Trafft in the search bar on the left, and drag the Trafft booking widget into your page. If you use Gutenberg or Divi, the process is very similar. Just click the plus icon within your editor, search for the Trafft blocker module, and add it to your section. All your services are pulled in automatically. Once the booking form is in place, click Update or Publish button to make it live on your site. To make this look native to your brand, go to the Customize section in Trafft. Change the primary font and color to match your WordPress theme. This ensures the booking form looks like part of your website, not an external embed. You now have a fully automated booking system running on WordPress. It handles time zones, payments, and reminders automatically. To get started, download the plugin using the link in the description. See you in the next one.